It's November 1st, and to say the least, me and Bush are switching things up. We're out here in this prairie. We're in the only strip of woods. It's not even a woods, it's just like a grass slough with some trees, and we're surrounded by corn. And then there's probably not an actual block of woods for probably 3 miles. But I came in here the other day and I saw a ton of sign. We hung the set, took us about an hour, and we're hoping something will come trolling through here because it's a natural funnel with these 2 cornfields still in. I got a good feeling it's either gonna be hit or miss though. We're either gonna see something or not gonna see anything at all.
Matt.
Stuck it, baby. You might want to attach that to the tripod. Man, me and Bush out here in the prairie. There's not a piece of timber. There, he just went down. He's in the water. There's not a piece of timber for probably 3 miles, and we're in this little slough, this little strip of trees, surrounded by corn. Man, we're sitting here about 6 o'clock. It's 5:45. Bush sees this big buck coming down this draw. He stopped here at 15 yards, man. Just pumped him. He's a stallion, dude. He's a nice buck. I mean, what'd we take? Probably an hour and a half hanging this set.
Yeah.
You know, I lost my boot. I'm hunting with a loafer on. Hey, we saw the buck fall. You guys saw it fall. Now it's time to just grab the arrow and then go enjoy him. It's been a few years since I've been able to look at one of these after a big buck. That's a bloody arrow. That switchblade true fire pumped him. He's over there in the water. Dude, my loafer is soaked. Extremely. Oh. Look at that crap.
Parking his loafer. Dang.
Got the loafer with the Jordan socks on. Alright, let's grab the bike and then let's go grab the bike and then we'll go get the deer.
Yeah.
It's a heck of a buck, guys. He didn't even make it up the side of this hill, but he's a good one. He's got good mass.
Yeah.
Got split G2s, crab claws. Heck of a buck. Good mass. happy with this one.